Hey, what are you doing? JakeOfALL, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in the closet?
Oh, my grinder sucks.
So you're in the closet with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come out of the closet. And
apparently.
Can I go get a new grinder?
So you want to come out of the closet to get a new grinder?
Yes. Are you good with that?
Okay, good luck with the grinder and getting out of the closet.
Alright, thanks. What's going on? Alright, all joking aside. I got a new grinder. We're gonna unbox it, but I wanna talk to you about this one. This is the non-fuel. And it's funny because it's not really even called a grinder. It's the 4.5 inch cut off / grinder. It says it on that label there, right? And the fuel option, right, this boy, right? This is not the big 6 inch. This is the 4.5 inch paddle switch, non-lock, right? 2780-20, 20 meaning 0, no battery, okay? But it's the fuel one. And I've got to cut down some stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. And then we're gonna do a little product comparison. And in the beginning of the video, you saw what I was working on. So let's go ahead. Safety shield, wrench. One of the big things you will notice if you've had the old one and you bought the new one is this vibration handle. Neighbors. Here's the pretty one. And if you look at it, head to head, they're about the same size. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and I'm gonna show you cutting a few things. And then we'll go ahead and we'll get some weights and compare the two. Yes, I put the blade guard on. Sue me. Do you hear how pretty that sounds? Let's listen to it again. Pull the blade out, or we'll pull the battery out, get the cut off. Now this is an older blade, so I can tell you right now that part of it right here is the blade. There's a lot of vibration in that handle. The only thing this is really good at is cutting like locks. You can't even grind with this, especially like a grinder head for like welding, if your welding's that good, or like a flat disc. Once you start just burying it down into the material, it dies, even on wood. So we're gonna get right to the cutting part after these messages. Safety third. Let's see how she does. Not bad. Got a little cleanup to do. I suppose I like it. I'm gonna go ahead, cut the other one, and then I'll put a flap disc on here. That's nice. When I come back, we'll go ahead and we'll get some sound ratings, some weights, and we'll finish this off. And I'm back, and this time I brought some like science and stuff. So we're gonna get some weights and we're gonna get some sound readings. I've got my lovely assistant here. I am going to compare them as similar as possible with a new disc, no battery, no handle. The cutoff non-fuel is 3 pounds, 11.3 ounces. The fuel is 4 pounds, 0.8 ounces. It's a little bit heavier. If you look closely here, I'm betting it has something to do with this head assembly. You can see here how this is about a 1/2 inch thick and this is about 1/4. And the guard is a little beefier. Otherwise, it's got a little bit more length to it, which, you know, who doesn't like it longer and heavier? So, all right, I want to get some sound readings, but I want to get sound readings without it cutting through something and with it cutting through something. And then we can really see if this one's louder, really, is this one better? I will say, before my assistant comes over here and tripods up and gets some sound readings, last night I was able to get this thing to die again. And what I noticed is just the longer and longer I used it, the more it would just sort of act like it's binding, even though it's a cutoff wheel and this is thin metal. It really shouldn't bind. I get it, right, if I'm putting a flat disc on it and grinding in. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna get some sound readings. All right. Assistant, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Okay, I gotta turn this on, right?
Yeah, yes. So we are gonna have 2 batteries.
Oh my god, why didn't it turn on?
Both
Oh, there it goes.
HO or XC6s. Okay. We're gonna do, which one did we do first? The old one? So we're gonna do the old one first.
Was it supposed to say something? Was it because we're talking?
Yeah. Hello,
Okay.
hello, hello. See?
All right. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So it needs to face this way. And you want me to stand right here with it?
Yeah, about 2 feet. And then just read what it says after I turn this off. You ready?
Yeah, go for it. 86.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay. 88.
86, 88, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I almost got my beard caught in it.
That would be bad. 83. 83.
Okay. So it's 86 or 88, 83, 3 decibels or what?
4.
4.
Oh my god, you can't do math.
Yeah, I can. Okay, so that's good to hear. It's quieter.
Right,
I mean,
so you can save your eardrum.
I mean, it feels quieter. Feels quieter. This one, I can feel this vibration.
Yes.
Like the whole thing feels like it's wobbling. And let's watch the torque, right? Watch it turn. Okay, this one.
It's got a little.
It's got a little. Okay, so let's cut with this one first.
Oh, okay. Safety glasses on, right?
Yeah.
With
So
my
you're.
blue ones and you've got your red ones.
Yeah.
Don't do it yet. I don't have them on. I gotta get them over my big fat head.
Okay. Why don't
Do you want me to stand over there?
you stand over there so that
Okay.
way the sparks aren't going all the
Okay,
way
good.
over. And let's knock
My
everything
bad.
over.
I don't know what that was.
So we're trying to get about 2 feet.
Okay.
You can hold it like this.
Oh, I can't. But then they
It's not
can't
even
see
on.
it.
They can't see it anyways.
Oh, okay. He doesn't care about you guys apparently.
Wow.
Just kidding. Okay, go for it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Super fast grinding sound. Super fast. Super fast. Grind, 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 grind.
115.
Ooh.
I can't hear now.
So I should be wearing ear protection.
Yeah, no. Maybe that's why you can't hear me when I talk to you.
What? We'll cut this in a minute.
I was gonna say you have to cut the same thing, the same type of material, right?
Ready?
Yep.
Even more grinding sounds. Grinding, grinding, grinding. Don't hit anybody with the grinder. Watch out. Watch out. What's it been getting at so far?
109 was the highest.
And what was the last one? 130?
114.
114, 19. So we're still at 4 or so decibels less. All right, I'm gonna cut the rest of this. We'll fast forward. I'll try not to set my beard on fire. Well, that's about as straight as a bow-legged dog. Good thing this gets hidden by trim, right? Do your best, caulk the rest.
Now what?
Now I gotta cut this and get it done with. I think I need a new disc. Grind, grind, grind. All right, so I have these 2 strips cut. These are going behind the door molding like this. So that's why I cut it with this. I did a terrible job on that cut. I'm gonna run a flat disc on this. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and cut a couple strips off this piece of angle. And I wanted to see if I could get the old one to bind up. And I also wanted to see sound-wise what we were talking about. So now that I have this nice razor blade piece of wall control, I'm gonna move that out of the way. We'll set this here. Am I visible?
You are visible.
Trip. We're not gonna do a ton of sound.
Oh, I gotta put my glasses back on. I don't know that I should be standing here. Okay, go for it.
Okay, well then stand
That's
back.
okay, go. That one got me. It was like 98.99.
That's crazy. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting it. Of course, on camera, I can't get it to bind.
Of course.
It's
always how it is.
All right, can you get me a sound on this?
These things scare me.
You ready?
Yeah. 92, 94, 95.
So we're like 4 every time under.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this. She's gonna take a couple photos. I'm gonna try not to set my beard on fire.
Again.
Let's do a battery check. I am at 3 out of 4 bars. I cut more with that one than I did with this one. Oh, I'm at 4. I'm at all the way 4 bars. I cut less. All right, what have we learned?
Not to catch your beard on fire.
Not to set your beard on fire. This is more comfortable. I'm both a auditory and a physical. Like, it doesn't have as much vibration. Cutting thin steel doesn't seem to matter. This one, when it gets low on the battery, lower, it cuts. It cuts really bad. It just cuts. It cuts off. It binds. Of course, I'm not like grinding on any welds or because all my welds need ground because I'm that good of a welder. And if you don't grind your welds, then whatever. But that's when I noticed the most, when I was heavy grinding or cutting thick, like basically bolts or steel plate, like 1/4 inch or something like that. I would notice it bind a little bit more. And honestly, I never said I would get rid of either one. I'm gonna build some hangers and they're gonna hang underneath that wood workbench over there. So I'm not gonna get rid of them. This is definitely more comfortable and it seems like it has more power. I realize this is not the best test, but yeah, so do I like the new one? Yeah. Am I gonna get rid of the old one? No. I'm gonna clean up in here in a minute.
Good, because it's dirty.
I know. I gotta throw the flat disc on and then I gotta sweep all this up because I have another video to show you. But right now, I want to make sure you guys take the opportunity, click subscribe, click, the like, comment if you need to cover up your welds, and let me show you what I am going to be doing the next unboxing video of. You're gonna love this. I got a new vacuum cleaner that she's gonna be pissed off that I have not let her use. It's been here since I had to go back to Ohio and
since before December.
Yeah, so this is the stick vacuum. It's got the little floor agitator, so she'll like this for our carpets compared to the other ones. So yeah, I have not let her open it because it's a Christmas present and for her.
Maybe we don't need to open this right now.
So
maybe we can.
No,
we can open it later.
No, we're gonna get right in. We're just gonna cut this, and this will be the intro to the next video.
Okay.
What?
No.
Do you want to change into something more? Do you have one of those maid outfits?
Actually, I do, but.
Oh, okay. So if do you want to see what's in here?
Okay. All right, go for it. I told you you shouldn't open it. No.
Where's all the packing?
No.
What the hell is? That's dirty. That's not.
It's not the right color.
Hold this. What did you do? That's a Dyson. This is your broken Dyson. What happened to the Milwaukee vacuum?
I kind of started using it already.
Does it work well?
It does.
So how long have you been using it?
About a week.
So your 1 week review would say what?
That it works really well, although it is kind of heavy. Just saying. It picks up a lot of water.
So I can use this out here to...
Yes. Wait a minute. We can put this back together.
No, this thing goes in the trash.
Yeah, it does. It's a piece of crap.
Anybody? That's the wrong end. Males don't.
Oh.
That's called docking. Good job.
See, that's how much I hate this vacuum.
Sorry, marital problems. You know, when you want to do unboxings of stuff and they unbox it. What? What did you do now?
I took a video for you. So when I unboxed it, I took a video. Don't worry, I'll send it to you. And you can do whatever your little JakeOfALL magic is.
Okay, I don't know if this is going to be the ending of the grinder video or the beginning, because now I got to start over. Who knows? Thanks.
You're welcome.
So, you guys, I appreciate you all watching the grinder video. Apparently, I've got editing to do on the vacuum video. So hopefully that video cut and this next video sucks. I'm the JakeOfALL.
It sucks in the good way.
And you're...
PACKOUT Princess.
And it's time for us to pack out of here and clean up.
No kidding.
So yeah, make sure you click all those things and subscribe. So watch the next video where it'll be a vacuum one. God damn it, woman. What is wrong with you? Testing, testing.
Do you want this on?
No.
No. Oh, it's a sound meter, not a...